I'm gonna add 2 cups of distilled white vinegar into this pot and 2 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of sea salt. Use the salt you have, guys. Doesn't have to be sea salt. So all we wanted to do was dissolve the salt, which it is already dissolved, and I'm gonna turn it off the heat. We're gonna use these little Persian cucumbers for our recipe. So what I'm doing is just cutting them in half. I also have 4 garlic cloves, which I peeled in half, and I have some whole dill. I'm gonna put the dill in this jar, and I'm going to place my cucumber spears in here, nice and tight. Go ahead and pack them in there, okay? We're gonna do 2 jars. Put half of the garlic in here, uh, half a teaspoon of peppercorn. Now we're gonna pour the liquid on top and make sure you cover everything, okay? So we're gonna wait for this to cool down completely. We're gonna cover it and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and I'm gonna see you in about 48 hours. If you were leaving the cucumbers whole, it would take you about 5 days for them to be completely pickled. If you made chips, pickle chips, then they'll probably be ready in 24 hours. They're so crunchy and they're sour, like I like them. Nice and tart.